Good morning. Hi. Hi. Hi, precious. Do I smell something? Do I smell something? Hi there.
I need this spot. Look, I got this other spot.
You're hiding.
Yeah.
You watch it and water come on your eye. Is what? Sweet you. She said stop, Tami. You like it or you never like it?
But Jackson nice it up. But Jackson smart, you know. Very smart boy.
Same flush the toilet?
Yes. What them put? Them put the chocolate on it. So
When him come, you know, I say I do that in other people, but I couldn't
where
understand.
was
Right here, so.
Mom, why
So
did
you
you
gotta
always
turn
want to
around the
hurt
back
himself?
and wait.
He's hurting himself.
Big
And
plan.
him pass, take time pass and go into the bathroom.
Then leave it in the bathroom.
Okay, say more do.
Him flush the toilet
And
too.
he flush the toilet.
And come out
And
with the
come out
paper.
with the paper and say, Mommy, what is what?
Mama, he.
Look at this.
Look at
Mommy.
this.
Why did he
Yeah.
always hurt himself?
So you get
What happened?
He pumpkin head.
Oh
you get
no.
frightened now and say, what is that?
What I want to know is how we're gonna prank Wayne now. Think about it.
You have to think about this, but you have to do this. Very big kind of smart.
So you say, me not smart.
What kind of fun? Are you telling me mother call him?
We can't say it on here because I'm going to watch it. Stop, Alice.
You have to think about something else.
Little man, what happened to you? Good morning to you. And how do you do? Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Baby yours. Good morning. What you saying?
Good morning to you. And how do you do? Good morning, good morning, good morning to you, baby eyes. Woo. No.
This is your morning affirmation. Today, say it. Repeat after me. Today.
Frost is here.
No, say today.
I don't know.
Just follow mommy. Today,
Today,
I
I
am going
to
be.
at Jamaica.
No, today I am going to be a good boy.
Today, I'm gonna be a good boy.
You sure about that? All right. What you eating? Crackers. But remember, don't eat them on the couch. Why?
It's crumb will come.
And then what happens after the crumbs?
Cockroach.
That's right.
And rat.
That's right.
And birdies.
Birdies?
No. No birdies.
Yeah.
Just rats and everything, then roaches. And even mice.
Yes, and you have crackers in your teeth.
And germs in my teeth. You forgot that?
Germs in your teeth? You have to
Yeah.
go brush them.
Me not brush them ever again.
Oh, this child. Love you.
The armpit is all up.
What?
The armpit is disgusting.
My armpit is disgusting?
Yeah.
Smell it again and tell the truth. What God love.
Ew.
What? It smells good.
No, it doesn't.
Oh my God. Choo-choo something?
Smell it.
What do you mean by
Smell Bobby's
It smells
Bobby's
nice to
armpit.
me.
Smell Bobby's armpit.
Let me smell yours.
Bobby's armpit.
I smell?
It smells disgusting.
Chew it up. Let the gum be hurting you. Bite it.
You stop it.
Oh gosh.
Maybe he needs his gums. Maybe he needs his gums, Mama.
The teeth coming.
Mama, he needs his.
Wow. Ooh. Bubsy, get it. Hey. Do you want to go to the crib? Do you want to go to the crib? Do you want to go to the crib? This is called Rub the All Over Your Face.
You remind me.
Sorry, go and watch your show, my bad. What you say, you like the show? No, Sean ever sought me out and look what me just spot. Look right over there. Oh my god, Blackie Mangoes. I can't believe you have Blackie Mango.
Yes, we got Blackie Mangoes. We have everything you like, Tami.
No, the thing look done up. But me clear about the price them now. That the people them want to know, Sean.
No,
what things cost uptown?
You have to come here get the price.
If I laugh and drop down. I don't even want to win cities. Oh my god. Excitement.
The channel.
Sean said put this on the channel. That's all mine. I'm gonna eat all of them today. You stay there. See what going? Wanna see what going in here? Me a big Sean, don't forgive me the uptown price. You gonna take it on camera? Take the money, man. Count it and show the people them what you need more wicked. Jesus Christ. You gonna shame me. You gonna shame me. Later, Sean. Who always comes to greet me at the door? Come around the other side. I have fruits in the car for you. Do you see?
Apple.
Yes.
Potatoes.
Yes.
And bananas.
Yes.
And pineapple.
Good job. What's this? What's this one?
And watermelon.
You got it.
And even
What's that one? Avocado pear.
avocado pear.
And I have Blackie Mangoes.
Blackie mangoes.
Help me take them out.
I'm gonna take care of these apples inside first.
Oh no.
I'm gonna take care of these apples inside first.
Come for the rest. I did not get those mangoes for you. I did not get those mangoes for you.
But if me bring mango in here, you gotta pick it up and me have to just hush up, don't
You
it?
never ever.
Them say donkey say they were not level and I chew enough.
You never leave mangoes for me. I said it, you know. I said, Sean, I can't make the man say the mango them and could you go find them.
Them Blackie mango ya come and mango man.
And
Yo,
you will
they are
eat all
musa.
3 in one
They go
bowl.
like a East Indian.
Just one. Okay?
My watch ya. Watch ya.
No.
I'm sorry for your Blackie mango. Remember say, I alright the life, you know, me have a nice East Indian, you know. Yeah?
You see all life stay?
Appetizer this, you
Yeah,
know.
share that with me?
Eh?
Yeah, share the East Indian with me? Yeah, you see all life stay? The donkey said. Donkey said.
I want alone, me have
Donkey said it.
I want alone.
Donkey said it. Oh, look at that. You get mango. Yummy.
I do not want to look at that.
You don't want the mango, Jackson?
I said I don't want to look at that.
Why?
Because I feel bad for the mango.
I feel bad for the mango too. Jeez, your father. No, sir. No, sir. No, sir. That's not necessary.
I really feel bad for the mango.
At last, you enjoy your mango here? Yes, man. Have some mango for eat, daddy. Jizam. No, sir. No, I have to look on this.
Oh, I can't. I really feel sorry for that mango. Oh my god.
You can't mash up mango like that, you
Oh
know.
my god.
I'm father, pick me this. What you have to say for yourself? How was that?
Yucky doodoo.
No! Yucky doo. You see wickedness? I don't know, I don't hear Tami. You want a bite?
That's one alone, man. I'm done show you already. You know, me and East Indian stay already. Of a special relationship.
Also?
I joke. I just
No thanks. I'm
walk
good.
attack at 10 people, say, my mean, come. Have some. Have some. So me give you something then away, I give you back now.
So I've never made pork ribs before in the oven, and they're smoked and they smell delicious. So I'm thinking to make some like potatoes with it and some corn. Let's see how this goes. I don't have time to bake the potatoes whole, so I'm just cutting them up small and just like doing like a big potato chunks, so to speak. Oops, wasn't really supposed to put it that way, but alright, that's cool. So MoMo and I have decided that we're just gonna do, what you say, MoMo? Olive oil, garlic, salt and pepper. Just keep it pure, because if you could smell it, it's smoked. And then oven. Alright, let's do it. Decided to add a little barbecue sauce to all of the juices that came out of this. So that's the garlic and the pork juice. And now I'm gonna replace the pork pieces in there. Now I'm gonna do it meat side down and then flip it. I don't know what I'm doing, but I think it's gonna taste good.
Good try, good try, good try, good try.
T-Range, guys.
What?
Oh boy. Atlas, please be careful there.
Yeah, faster this one.
No, don't jump there.
Come off up there.
Oh, my balloon!
Come around this way and get it. Come around this way.
I only get it. I've got it too.
Hey, slow down. Because remember, we can't go to the hospital. So please take easy steps and do not run down the hill. Walk. Good job. Walk. Oh Lord, nobody don't hear when I say walk. Uh-oh.
Atlas.
Mind you seal it over the gate, you know, brother. I talk the truth of God love. This look good. Wow. I could pray over this. Yeah. Chefins. Nah, I'm gonna lie. The thing turn up. This is not mine. This is Alex's one.
As a Pancho. Jesus feast. Pancho. This is why we have to love Pancho and hate him at the same time.
Okay, so before you guys start to think that we have some kind of rat infested house, you need to understand when you have a cat, cats bring what they think are gifts, which can be anything from snakes to mice, to rat, to innards of animals, to birds.
No, but Tami, is not every cat stays so. You have some cat that's big and fat and lazy in the place.
That's
and
true.
bigger things come in there and them run like thief. Right? Them run like puss. Understand? But our cat is a Rambo cat.
Rambo cat.
Our cat is a hunter.
He is.
See? So him circle the circumference of the house and anything will come in at the yard down to snake. You did say snake, Nico?
Yep.
He brings snake into the house. Did you know snake walk in Jamaica? Yeah. He brings.
So it's actually a good thing, but
He
he
brung-
thinks he's doing a good thing for us, which is why there is no a mouse in the house. But the thing about it is that cats like to make sure that their prey is still live, injured but live. And I had a live to do at the time, and I was freaking out. And so, yeah.
And then she'll tell me if I deal with it. How am I gonna deal with it? Pick up the cat with my bare hand?
You mean the mouse?
Sorry, my bad. she want me to deal with it. Me, I go pick up the rat with my bare
No,
hand. That's what
we'll-
I should have do?
We'll see what happens. We just wanted to just come in with a little confessional.
Confessional. I confess about this. The bag of pork we are cooking at the house every time.
Stop going like your nanny, mate.
No, and I said, Nanny, that's why I made that for trim, because she had me I try if you not eat the pork and the pork spoon mix up with it. And then somebody say, yo, you know, I make me give up. Because be pork she are cooking here.
Okay, that's cool.
You see me? And thing.
Let's go back to the.
I'm gonna want Selassie box me in my sleep. So
Let's go back to the mouse in the house footage.
because look at this. You have a nice little mouse from outside. I'm carrying her. See, Tami, I panic over this. Jesus, please. Oh, mega get him out, Tami. Alright, mega sort it out.
When Sam went do this, he made Maureen do the dirty work.
Oh, shut up.
Oh God, I feel sick. Maureen, that bring off a dash way. Lad!